We'll guide you through how to make glass broke transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, import a glass crack PNG or overlay into the project panel. Drag the glass crack file into the timeline and place it above both clips so it becomes the top layer. After placing the overlay, adjust its size and position so the cracked glass covers the screen properly. Next, apply the shatter effect if needed from the Effects and Presets panel. Add the effect to the glass layer or a solid layer, depending on your setup. Open the effect controls and prepare the layer for animation. After that, animate the glass breaking by enabling keyframes for the force, radius, or shape settings used in the shatter effect. Move the playhead forward and increase the values so the glass begins to crack and break apart over time. If you are using a PNG overlay instead, animate opacity, scale, or distortion to create the breaking illusion. Then add movement to the shards by adjusting gravity, rotation, or directional force settings. This makes the broken pieces scatter naturally across the screen. Continue changing the settings until the shards move in a realistic way. As the break happens, hide the first clip during the effect by letting the cracked glass and shards cover the outgoing scene. Then reveal the second clip behind it, so the next scene appears as the glass pieces move away. This creates a dramatic transition between both clips. After completing the animation, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if necessary, then click Render to export the final video. Your glass broke transition is complete.